Let's talk about XLM, also known as Stellar. It's sitting at 35 cents, 35.7. Now, I'm covering this after a while, even though this does bring a lot of views. The viewership is not bad, but I'm covering it after Sunday, so it's been almost 5 days. At that time, we talked about the support of 35 cents. As long as it holds, it can go up towards 39 to 42 cents. And what the hell did it do? It held on to 35 cents. It did go up almost towards 42 cents. Not bad. Okay, not a bad promise. Now, XLM is among few coins that actually have a bit better structure in comparison to other coins. Other coins, some of them, they are already in their bearish prices. Like one of them was, what the hell is that coin? Let me just check what was its name. Not ICP. ICP is bad. Caspa. Caspa is living in the month of July. So it's living in July prices, most probably closer to its August prices as well. But that's not the case scenario with XLM. If you look at XLM from short-term perspective, yes, there is a bit of bearishness because it is creating a double top. But the best part is the support is 35 cents. As long as it holds 35 cents and it doesn't break below it, forms 2 candles below it, spend 8 hours below 35 cents, it is not going to go down. But if it breaks below 35 cents, then it's going to shoot down towards 31.2. You can call it 32 cents. That's going to be the drop for XLM. But if we look at XLM from bigger perspective, the overall bleed of XLM is not that horrible. If you look at it, this is on a daily. It has retraced almost 50%, so not that horrible, not that horrible. It's doing well from that perspective. It has gone from 8 cents to 64 cents almost. That's crazy. It is almost what HBAR did. HBAR has, of course, outperformed XLM in terms of number of X's, but the overall deliverance and the way XLM is holding is just amazing. I really like the structure, the way structure is. Of course, it is on a very obvious downward trend, but the thing is, this thing is called falling wedge. So if you draw an upper line and then you draw a bottom line, this is a wedge that is falling. Now, 70% of the times this wedge breaks up, 30% of the times it breaks down. Now, for you to understand what does it needs to do to confirm it is starting the uptrend, it needs to break above 42 cents. Once it breaks above 42 cents, spends 2 days there, that is the declaration that, okay, it is a deliverance on the falling wedge. It's going to start uptrend, it's going to go back up. Then you can start dreaming for the 60, 70, $1, whatever you want. But if it is not able to do this bare minimum, which is the bare minimum, then you have to assume that, okay, XLM might be falling under the 30% statistical data, where 30% of the times it breaks down. Of course, you will have a confirmation. If it loses 35 cents, then your last draw is at 32. After 32 is pretty much game over on the structure of this falling wedge. You have to assume, okay, falling wedge has failed. It is a bullish structure, even though it is a falling structure, but it is considered to be bullish structure. Then you have to assume, okay, this is going down towards 20 cents, and by that time it would have broken this bullish structure and would have started turning bearish. But that's pretty much it with XLM from short-term and long-term perspective. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.